Okay, welcome to step 2, and that's adding a funnel website page to host your blog. So it's important to know here that the blog itself, when you add the blog element in the builder, it should be on a standalone page. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. So I've set up a folder here. I'm going to do it for help docs, and I'm going to go in and actually, I have no website, so I'm going to start with a website. I'm going to call this my main website. All right, I'm going to go ahead to the type of template library. I'm going to select a cool template here for argument's sake. Let's just say it's this one. I like this one. So we'll pick this one. We're happy with this. We're going to click here. We're going to get this template. Okay, now let's jump back into here. Let's give it a second to refresh. See what happened there. There it is. Okay, cool. So I can move that into the folder if I need to, but let's just say this is the home page. There's a nav menu on the home page, right? So I'm going to actually duplicate one of these pages. I'm going to assume that these are pretty good to go here. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to clone this page. And I'm going to clone it in this website. And then I'm going to rename it. I'm going to go settings, and I'm going to call this the blog. We'll change this path to blog and hit update page. Perfect. I'm going to go into this page real fast, open a new tab. And what I'm going to do is clear the contents in the middle of the website, keep the header and footer. So I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to go ahead and change this to blog. You can capitalize this if you wanted to. Again, you can use the rich editor here, so let's go with H1. Maybe a little bigger here. Alright, cool. So now we're going to go in here and we're going to add the blog post element right here. In here, you'll see on the left side, you'll have standard or compact. You can have multiple different ways. We've only essentially set up one blog. So if you had multiple blogs here, how many do you want to show on this page? So we only have one, so let's just do a maximum of 3. Call it 3. And then you can change, click here to say more info, something of that nature, right? Any sort of call to action that would get them to move to the next step. As you can see, it changes down here. You can change the button color, button text, button color, essentially, and so forth, right? So let's go ahead and actually save that. If you go into advanced, spacing options, border and shadow, okay, it should be good. So let's go ahead and save that. I want to hit preview and take a look real fast and see if this is showing up. My first blog, here it is. Boom. So you click on it, and then there it is. There's your first blog post, again within the same frame. So a dedicated page for my blogs. If I had multiple blogs, you'd see them show up over here. Also, we want to make sure that when we do the nav menu, we also want to add a new menu. So let's go in here and add one more. And we'll call this blog. And we want to go to a specific page. We want to go to the blog page here, and we're going to open in a new tab. No, it doesn't matter. We'll keep it in this tab. So let's save that, and then we want to change the order of this maybe to... Oh, I don't know if I can do this because Loom is getting in the way, but you can drag these 6 dots and move these up and down if you wanted to. Okay, it's not letting me do it. Okay, so essentially that's how you do it. Make sure you hit save. Okay, it's going to affect everybody because these are global. Menus are global. So if I hit preview here, let's check that out again. If I go back to home and then go back to blog, there you go. That is how you would set up a blog page and use the blog element. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Thanks.